avoid punishment?
Yes.
Were you present at school on December 12, 2024?
Yes.
Today is March 14, 2025.
Yes.
Did you take the missing item?
No.
Have you ever taken something that didn't belong to you?
No.
Are you currently sitting in a chair?
Yes.
Have you deliberately hidden any information about what happened?
No.
Do you always tell the truth to your friends?
Yes.
Did you help someone else to plan the incident?
No.